hat, hand, house, happy, hope, hair, hill, high, hot, help, heart, head, here, hold, hard, hero, hobby, half, huge, 100, humor, hunt, hurry, human, history, honey, heavy, heart, health, hull, home, host, hug, horse, whole, hour, hint, hostile, handle, height, herb, harvest, hide, hook, horn, holiday, honor, habit, helmet, hungry, harmony, hatch, horizon, hostess, hospital, hop, heap, higher, heatwave, hook, hollow, hover, harvested, humid, hound, humble, hustle, highway, hang, hatchery, herbal, hallway, hairstyle, homework, highlight, handshake, handbag, handmade, handy, hardware, harm, harvesting, hardship, healthy, headline, heater, healing, heapful, hearer, hearth, heaven, heavily, Hebrew, heighten, helium, helped, helper, helping, helmeted, hemisphere, herald, heritage, hermit, heroic, heroism, hesitate, hexagon, hibernation, hiccup, hidden, hideout, hierarchy, highland, highness, highly, hiking, hillock, hillside, hilly, himself, hinting, hip, hireling, historic, hit, hobbyist, hoist, holden, holder, holding, holidaying, holiness, hallowed, holy, homage, homeland, homely, homeward, homeworks, honest, honestly, honesty, honeybee, honorary, honored, hood, hooked, hoopla, hopeless, horizons, hornet, horrible, horribly, horseman, horseman, horsepower, horticulture, hospitality, hostage, hostiles, hostile, hotline, hotspot, hourglass, houseboat, household, housekeeper, housekeeping, housesplint, housing, hovercraft, howl, huge, humanity, humble-bee, humidifier, humiliate, humility, humming, humorist, humorous, hundredth, hung, hungries, hunter, hunting, hurdle, hurried, hurries, hurtful, husband, hush, husk, hut, hybrid, hydrant, hydration, hydrogen, hygiene, hymn, hyperlink, hypnotic, hypothesis, hysterical, habitant, habitat, hack, hacksaw, haddock, haiku, hail, hairbrush, haircut, hairdresser, hairline, hairpin, hairstilts, halfback, halftime, halogen, halo, have, hammer, hamper, hamster, handbook, handcart, handcraft, handgrip, handhold, handicapped, handicap, handkerchief, handlebar, handout, handrail, handsaw, handset, handshakes, handwriting, handwritten, hanger, hanger, hanging, hanker, hanky, handsome, haptic, her ass, harbor, hardcover, hard disk, hardness, hardwares, hardwood, harmful, harmonic, harmonies, harness, harpoon, harsh, harvests, hash, hashtag, hassle, hasty, hatchback, hatchway, hatchet, hatebus, hatred, hull, haulage, holler, haunt, haunting, ice, idea, ideal, identify, identity, idle, ignore. The thought of having a third child in our family is overwhelming. Illegal, illness, illustrate, image, imagination, imagine, immediate, immense, impact, implement, importance, important, impossible, improve, improvement, impure, include, income, increase, independence, independent, index, indicate, individual, industry, infection, influence, inform, information, ingredient, initial, initiate, injury, inner, input, inquiry, insane, insert, inside, insight, inspect, instance, instant, instead, instrument, insurance, intend, intense, intent, interaction, interest, interior, internal, international, internet, interpret, interrupt, interval, interview, intimate, into, introduce, introduction, invent, invest, investigate, investment, invite, involve, iron, island, issue, item, its, itself, idealistic, identify able, idle lie, idleness, ignite, ignore able, illogical, illustration, imagery, imagine able, imitate, imitation, immaculate, immediates, immenses, immerse, immigrant, immigration, impactive, impart, impassion, impatient, imperative, imperfection, imperial, impermanence, implementable, implication, implicit, importances, impose, impossibles, impress, impression, impressive, improvable, improper, impulse, impulsive, inability, inaccessible, inaccurate, inactive, inadequate, inappropriate, inaugurate, inborn, incapable, incense, incentive, inception, incident, includable, incoming, incomplete, incorrect, increasable, increment, indebted, indefinite, independence, indexing, indicatable, indigenous, indispensable, individualist, indoors, induce, indulgence, industrial, industries, ineffective, inevitable, inevitables, infamous, infant, infections, infer, infinite, inflation, influential, informant, informative, infrastructure, infrequent, ingredients, initials, initiates, injection, inners, innovate, innovation, innocence, innocent, inquire, inquiries, insanes, insertable, insides, insightful, insist, inspect able, inspection, inspector, inspiration.